Resource, service and product. Real-time monitoring solution for service-oriented Hellenic manufacturing systems. Christina Moraria, Octavian Moraria, Theodore Boringer. Sahoma 2013. Introduction. 3 interrelated vectors that define the effectiveness of the manufacturing system. Robustness, scheduling, algorithms, etc. Composability, service orientation, SOA, etc. Observability, monitoring. A partial system failure can cause a complete failure if it cannot be detected, isolated and handled in a timely manner. Introduction. The need for a monitoring solution. Any manufacturing system needs to provide means to determine the current state it is in, the state history from the beginning of the execution to the current state. In other words, it must provide means to be observed or monitored in real time. Introduction. Observability. For manufacturing systems, observability has concrete meanings. Energy consumption at shop floor level, resource utilization, time per operation, average make span, others. Introduction. Observability in manufacturing systems. Published in 2010 by Gartner Research. Defines 5 directions for APM. End user experience, runtime application architecture, business transactions, component monitoring, reporting, application performance monitoring, APM conceptual framework, manufacturing systems performance monitoring, MSPM. MSPM framework has 4 main directions. Service monitoring focuses on the actual web services exposed and used by the system submodules. Monitoring is done at the HTTP/SOAP protocol layer and the data consists in service status, response time for requests and overall workload. Resource monitoring refers to the actual robots on the shop floor. The focus here is on the resource status, the energy consumption, and on the resource utilization. Manufacturing systems performance monitoring, MSPM. Product monitoring is used to keep track of the products that are in production at any given time. The data collection focuses on energy consumption, real-time status and make span. Analytics/reporting represent the mechanisms to consolidate the collected data around relevant key performance indicators is for the manufacturing system. Manufacturing systems performance monitoring, MSPM. 2 functional modules. Data collection module, responsible for gathering real-time data from monitored targets and consolidate it in a persistent storage. Monitoring portal provides a rich user interface for data visualization. Monitoring solution for Hellenic manufacturing systems. Architecture. 4 types of agents developed for this solution. Resource monitoring agent, JADE agent with a cyclic behavior. The agent is a cyclic poll at 5 seconds interval on the resource in order to gather information about the resource status, energy usage and the operations performed. Product monitoring agent, a JADE agent with a consumer behavior. The agent runs on the embedded device attached to the product pallet and it is notified after each operation performed. Service monitoring agent, controller agent, monitoring solution for Hellenic manufacturing systems. Service monitoring agent is implemented as a HTTP filter for Apache HTTP server. The filter is a shared library that is called for each request and response. Controller agent is a JADE agent that implements a cyclic behavior and consumes the monitoring messages sent to the monitoring data stream. The agent aggregates the data based on the monitoring target and saves it in the persistent storage. Monitoring solution for Hellenic manufacturing systems. Short-term storage staging consists in a rolling table with a fixed number of rows, having a timestamp as a primary key. Long-term storage consists in a table containing average data for each metric for given time intervals, that is 1 hour. Data storage strategy. Virtual shop floor created using a Robot Studio 5.15 application. Simple layout with 2 IRB 1600 stations performing repeated translation movements with different speeds. Simulation environment. The energy consumption of the motors for these operations. Real-time data. Automatic page refresh for real-time monitoring. Real-time status and resource uptime display. Monitoring portal. Conclusions. Thank you.